So yan guys, good morning, good morning. Dumating pala yung materialis. Dalawang truck to. I-beam yung isa. TKL yung supplier. Guys, good morning, good morning. Ariada na. Ayan guys, ikot na lang, ikot. Ayan guys, dito pala yung bakal na yan. Ito at saka sa 5 story namin. So, bagbaga na ulit ito. Ayan guys, ganun lang kami mag-ariada at wala kaming yung boom nila na nagamit. Ayan guys, thank you for watching. Good morning, good morning.